a superstar also feels that the PM is the superstar, just like your family?
Of course, he is, Honorable Prime Minister is the most popular leader in the world, and there is no doubt about it. And we are so fortunate that we've got him to lead us. And I think that he is going to take India to a place where we will be very proud of him and India as well.
Kangana ji, I want to ask you, Padma Awards, yes, big recognition, highest civilian honor, but you've won 4 national awards before this. So it's not a new feeling for you to get an award, to get this kind of recognition for your work that you've been doing.
And to just saying that 2 of my national awards had been given to me in Congress rule. No, just making it clear.
So, आप कहना क्या चाह रही हैं?
No, there are some who think that probably it comes from, when I talk about nationalism and I talk about, just for the betterment of the army, for army being the heroes and trying to promote the culture, weaves, everybody says that, oh, she's running BJP agenda. Why is this BJP agenda? These should be national agendas.
So, fashion queen, Tanu weds, Manu returns, Karnika, these were the national awards that you got. So, अब आप अपने दिमाग में ये awards classify करती हैं कि 2 कांग्रेस के, 2 बीजेपी के?
This is, there are some people who would want to take your achievements away, and they would want to, make it less impactful. So we can only try and enhance them. What else can we do? There will always be naysayers, and there will always be people who will encourage you. And for me, I feel that what I've done so far, I need acknowledgement for that, and I don't shy away giving it to myself. If nobody speaks up for me, I will speak up for myself.
Kangana, they say you're a headline hunter. You want to make headlines, and you purposely make headlines. So जब दिवाली पटाखों पर controversy हो रही थी, तो in comes Kangana Ranaut, and with her cape flying, lands into the controversy and says, हाँ, पटाखे चलाओ 3 दिन, पैदल चले जाओ दफ्तर, लेकिन पटाखे चलाओ. Kangana loves headlines and controversies.
Well, if you say something and you want to make a point and you fail to even make a headline, then don't try to make a point. If you want to make a point, it must make a headline. Then only the point will be made, isn't it?
Okay. So you're saying you're not hunting the headlines hunt you.
No, I am making a point. If I want to make a point to my friends, I can make a call. If I want to make a point to the society, I must make headlines.
So you don't shy away from that?
No, not at all. And what for is media anyway?
Acha. Okay, so let me ask you, and I hope you're not going to come and strangle me, but I want to ask you another controversial question. In the past, you've said many things about many film stars, many people from Bollywood. अब जब पद्मा अवार्ड मिला तो आप जिनके साथ ले रही थी वो कई बार आपके निशाने पर रहे हैं. तो आप क्या करण जौहर को वहाँ मिली थी दरबार हॉल राष्ट्रपति भवन में?
Well, our ceremonies were at different times. I think they went out of their way to keep us on different timings.
So they didn't want fireworks in Rashtrapati Bhavan?
Well, that you need to ask them. But I tried to spot him around, but he wasn't there.
Okay, so you looked for him?
I did.
And if you had seen him in the audience, what would you have done?
What do you mean, what you would have done?
Would you have gone up and said, hi, we are from the same industry?
Of course. Of course. And yes, there can be conflicts and there can be disagreement, but that doesn't mean that you do not believe in coexisting. And that's the primary the agenda, or that's what I speak about, coexisting and giving equal opportunities, whether it is for man, women, or outsiders, insiders, underprivileged, overprivileged, nepotism, or, so I anyway encourage coexistence of all kinds. So, of course, I am not going to misbehave.
Yeah? But you can't be friends.
Now, friends is like stretching it. People can only be friends when they have the same,
Or similar.
the similar sort of, intellectual vibe.
तो आपकी मिलती नहीं है. मिलती नहीं है काफी लोगों से. Intellectual vibe.
What do you think?
मैं तो आपसे पूछ रही हूँ. Media is only to convey Kangana's point.
No, let's put it this way. I have few friends in the industry.
And who are they?
I do have good friends in the industry, of course.
पर कोई आके आपके साथ खड़ा नहीं हुआ, आपका घर डिमोलिश हुआ, चूं नहीं निकली किसी की.
अच्छा, आप अगर सिर्फ उन्हीं को देखें जो सिर्फ like those people who have kind of young fan following and all that, that's a different thing. But I do have friends who encourage me, and there are some who supported me also, like Mr. Prasoon Joshi ji, Mr. Vijayendra Prasad ji. There are so many people. I make movies. I have a crew of at least 200 people who I work with. Of course, there are people who encourage me and who support me. But the kind of people maybe you're following did not.
I'm
Sorry.
following you too, पर आप follow